Enti Dennis Miracle Aboagye any Kofi Koranteng abe clash with John Mahama any NDC for no without question say where is the 24-hour economy? What happened to that flagship policy? I Penyah block media. Mess was say need over like video not that put subscribe button number click notification for latest updates number chira wa dia mama e will comment as so baso no share for onya bia share. You know the NDC in opposition during campaign time omu policy just omu campaign message on the buy no now the head word resetting Ghana agenda into parenthesis 24-hour economy. That's any main flagship policy. Resetting Ghana it was just a slogan but policy na omu campaign no fa pimu gina so 24-hour economy. No matter you say obia bedidi obia benya adwuma ye anom say ade formula 133 e baaye say adwuma baako dipa miensa we be kwa no parago pon wi we be kwa wi no go pon nwumere we kwa anwumere akopon the next morning akotwa night na say omo da enema e baaye and you know say nenkenya ya twa say nenka omo ba ban mu no ni ade a omo ni be kwa ho because omo kire say job driven, you know, policy. It will create jobs for the youth. And you know, the Ghana youth, obi a perjuma and no any message here. Omo preach here, editor youth no to youth to go more the formula 130 say you ba kunipa mi ansa na be ye. Let's say you be do so man obi a benya adwuma ni bi aye. But you know say omo ba ye no 12-hour economy no and na say dan chen. The attention given to that policy no is so minimal. And name say who heading here o man share that who the day during campaign time a honey here woman sharing pad to girls in school. It wasn't their main policy, but enunu this calculus in almost 24-hour economy. Enunu here woman yancha pad man kodano here woman crossing see be 24-hour economy be enuma am be anya adwuma ye no mrefi say so e be adwuma be anya adwuma ya pad how much is pad enti no maami be ntimi ntoma ne ba a month. How much is pad? The neighbor cost to 20 cedis. Enuru 20 pad enuru 20 cedis. Enuru 20 cedis. Ana month bia na ma use. They also the one use approach to month on use pad entra me and sada. One use wa yemienu. No matter how was we do flow kese. One use pad ya yemienu per emro mienu oboa. One use wa ene no akoya abortion. Na normal menses we full approach to pad we use approach wa na yemienu. Because I didn't just 7 days per nature. If you go 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 7 days, just 7 days complete. And it just any DB on the board, then just 36 cities. A Tomienu, what I say, a Tomienu, 18 will be on your Jumayanka, dear way, or be a better matter. But young creating you are Ghana for your billion, a young woman. And no when you see young teacher pad the Mount Corano, yen your way, and the edge fans. Yeah, fans. Na eno ana miracles Aboagye your MPP communicator one Kofi Koranteng your flag bearer to a different political party. Obebu John Mahama question say 24-hour economy na anye bia modi edede no e wo henefa ekebi 24-hour economy aban say oba obema adwuma ba ko bia nipa miensa beye both private sector and public sector ensa no mkan to the extent that aban ka che yen say ministries, departments and agencies, a jume be a nipa ba ko ye bia a no brainer. E so mo fa nipa mienu ka ho. Ye fa ne say average minimum 800,000 workers in a controller payroll so. For all the other state agencies, you must in chain. Controller nko 800,000. Saban ka so fa mienu aka ho 1.6 million employment no be create. Adentin up to now, aban fa sa 133 ne mai. 133 no. They almost say a lot of young people
enabling environment.
One kasa
for me to say in the same
way. Yes, no kind. Or say me quote President Mahama. Me patch on from page 20 slide 21. Or say the 24-hour economy will be a deliberate policy intervention by the next NDC Mahama government to encourage and support certain businesses and companies to operate 24/7, preferably in a 3-shift system, 8 hours each, by creating an enabling environment that promotes productivity and competitiveness and when pay jobs. And I'll say they will give them time of use electricity. See their friend is saying, I'll say this 24-hour economy clock, 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people, 133, Obiya Bedidi. The 24-hour economy means 1 job, 3 shifts every day. Our hospitality industry, our restaurants, our discotheques, our nightclubs, our hotels,
24 hours a day. Felix Kwache say every region, General Mosquito say 24-hour economy will reduce electricity bills at night for businesses. They have rather increased it. In fact, Okayaka said 30 man kwanso, we organize a bay duma in match 3. Felix Kwache for say anajo 12 a.m. no 1 a.m. Watch ura ebeton wachi. Sami Jemfe say 24-hour economy is a game-changing solution. What about being? What about 24-hour economy policy? No? Nowhere did they even mention 133. I feel the mark of Ghana beyond a document now. A kufuado abanye no media brain say this is the 24-hour economy. Nyama muka wo manifesto muso mbaye towards creating even the enabling environment no kra. Almost starting yempo. Time of use electricity now. Mo say mo member despite group cheaper electricity at night. No bet 24 hours no. Omo dia bremo. Fefa da dex business omo dia ba. Into
miracles in general no. So what kasa wo assess ya ban ya obe assess na say.
The American say before I about the American say Mr. Romo. Say abanya nya hwe cramp no when it comes to 24-hour economy. Public sector there mo na mo control. And no here enabling environment. Let there be no mo try you say yempamo workers say from December nyina no. Omo try the same letter. No mo kan che organization bi say public organization bi say omo fa ne mpa mienu nka ho no mo ye 133. Anya me na me de ma no ba be kan.
Institutions ni bi ho no masters of ne omo ka DVLA Okomo year 24.
And yeah,
Ghana publishing and so.
Ghana publishing almost year 24 hours from 2024.
And
how? Mr. Ghana publishing almost 24 hours from 2024.
And also almost year 24.
Let me tell you something. And yeah, I made man no babeka NDC performance. Oko page 38. Moko page 38 of your slide now. NDC 4 campaign almost year no. Almost year promises. Promises almost year nina. It was a total of I think 258. Okay. Out of the 258 promises in their 2024 manifesto, it was almost so many within the first 120 days. It was almost so many within the first year. And now I think between 60 to 70 promises. And no more, I think between 100 to 120 promises, and here between 2 and 3 years. And I feel they have called the full 4 years, you know, and so here about 80. In all, no, 258. Maybe 2 to 3 years and 4 years not to change. If first year they don't go on. First year, they inquire 64 promises. 64 promises in their manifesto. Out of the 64 promises, on page 38, slide 38, only 11 of the friend is saying promises. And only 31.2% of the promises fully. And the partially fulfilled near 4.7.
Out of the 60, no, 30.
Out of the 64, 20 fully fulfilled. 20. And a 3 partially fulfilled. And a 41 there, Oman can want some crowd, see ye bisa no ma kataso. And your man young share first year promises. It is a assess MDC performance in the first 1 year in the context of their own manifesto. Almost 36% of their promise.
1 year.
36%. And 1 year, that is what they said they would do in the first year.
In the first year.
The other ones never run 2-3 years and can't once a year. So that is their scorecard.
Not that I want more benefit of doubt. Say, I mean, I feel like.
Oh, you're the 3
more years ahead.
And yet the level of dishonesty on the part of the NDC over the years. I gave you the history.
And I'm dishonest.
Now, and you're going to students, no more nursing college, teacher training college, say, on automatic placement, no. These students have been demonstrating for almost 3 months now. Okay. The government still hasn't heard them. It's a dishonesty. Last time, I called demonstration Ministry of Health. They didn't say anything. They were only playing the voice of the NDC. When they were promising them in 2024, say, the young boys and the young girls are now on the street demonstrating, and you are telling them, say, we need plan to be a momo. It's not dishonesty.
Oh. One more for Ghana for Ghana full Nimunyasa. Mr. Mahama, any cabinet, you think Ghanaians are fools? How can you say Go 24 is a strategic pillar? How does it become a strategic pillar? Show 24, strategic pillar. Connect 24, strategic. How does connect? Hey. Aspire 24, strategic pillar. How does that become a strategy? Mr. Mahama, you are taking us for fools. You are taking us for fools. It just blows my mind. Say, we will sit down and have, this is not concert party. This is not even a TASA thinking leadership party. The NDC is an ATASA leadership party. ATASA. Because how do you say Go 24 is a strategic pillar to 24-hour economy? How do you listen? Me pese obi baha na me mano platform mesrel NDC ni na omeka Go 24, Connect 24, Grow 24, Build 24, Aspire 24, Show 24. How those become strategic pillars of the 24-hour economy. Now, let me tell you what a strategic pillar is. A strategic pillar for 24-hour economy is connectivity. And you're matrepe. And you're matre. Connectivity, competency, connectivity, competency, and complexity. Sanyoma 3 yipe. Connectivity ne den. Connectivity ne se yenya roads ye juma. Roads ne number 1 thing about connected for commerce to happen. So, roads, no, transportation. The transportation, we hear bullet trains, we hear roads, we hear trains, freight, we hear boat, waterway systems, we hear planes. We're the only nation on earth that builds airports without planes. Dumb. Unisika, unya isikano. Wan toka o, akusi garage. Kana o well, nyame beye. Unya toka o si garage. Hey, masa. Garage nso awato no wutu ya honka. Oh my gosh, man. Ayana. Masa. Hey. Do you guys we need connectivity? How do you move commerce from point A to point B? Mon can't share me. Roads in ye need bullet trains. Me call China. Trains fly at 300 miles plus per hour. Who do you wanna? Just say, me see we the nyampa. I me got name. Who got name? I want to say I move 300 plus kilometers. A quarter say be a call 50 miles per hour. But who said no man say hey Charlie. Na girl kita best half 1/3 my size, not it. Motor woman seats no na o move train no. Charlie effortlessly. Masa. You know, the billions upon billions a year of cities a year. Accra just Accra or Fanko. Accra or Fanko barrier. We can say Bosom in a sheho. We can't even go past Fanko. In someone there be. Yes, say some projects in a abandonia by a new expressway. Nyansa, anyho. Aya name one. Okay, let's get back to it. We need connectivity, we need trains, we need planes, we need freight, we need waterways, we need boats, benamso. We need public transportation system, mass transit. How do you begin a 24-hour economy? We say, hey, Go 24. It's a strategic pillar of Mahama government. Mahama, please, I want to talk to you, Keke. Because maybe you know something we don't know. Because I am Mr. Mahama. So you sit down and you come out with Show 24. Show DA as a strategic pillar. What are you showing as a strategic pillar? na ya soma na de ama Jean Opoku Agyeman say ayi na no Opoku Agyeman say masa wo kona koka wo na yo ba kona koka wo ye professor. The 24-hour economy will be managed by these 8 strategic pillars. Grow 24, make 24. Hey, now Opoku Agyeman so abijina. Now she doesn't even understand the sense in what she's saying. She doesn't even have a clue what she's saying. She just comes and spits on us. Go 24, aspire 24, connect 24. These will be the 8 strategic pillars of the 24-hour economy. You don't have a mass transit system. How do you move commerce? Well, I guess that's why we're going to show 24. Hey, this is beyond dumb. Dumb. Masa, listen, don't take offense. This is fact. The Nano Opoku Agyeman Majorano man can 20 show 24, aspire 24, that or can I then you don't have connectivity. Okay, and only a transportation, my car transportation area. I can't data. You see how expensive data is? We are call 1 2 near drop. You have to make the call again. Yeah, found son in my own. MTN keep you on season. Your data. Can I say? Can I say? Your data back on your can I say? Day. Maybe my brain to me. I just buy the bulk. I say Richie P. Pick me. Airtime, Jay, thank you. Airtime. What to airtime? What to airtime na namasa asa. Inti say wo ye transaction. Time ama me ye business no. Meet na phone so me start 8 o'clock. Meet na phone so abese 8 to 1. Non stop meet phone so me hang up na ma frɛ call. Time me adwuma Wall Street no as a junior broker. Me yeah 300 calls a day. Maybe na me head na menim. We hear menim I say half a share. Me the phone can no na enye cell phone. So na ni cell phone. Na with the phone no et say warmer. Now they are shell ha say. Na e wo small boys and girls mumu who cell phone be that. Phone et say warmer. Now they are shell ha say. Na wo bo call so pa mensa asset typewriter. No mia. Na yaba. Hi, this is my not wabo fam needing. Hi, this is my quarantine. I say get the no I care so. Don't call me anymore. Click no hang it up. No oko next call. Hi, you know get no I recite it. Na click near hang it up on you. 300 calls. And that my year good, my year lucky partner, and you have 5 leads out of 300 calls. So, inti say, wo to data now they are your business. Wo to airtime now they are your business. Just a ton gun now they are airtime no. Data is so expensive, airtime is so expensive. Obi to me 1 CD or so they koto airtime 1 CD. And yet would you go phone so anasa? Inti say airtime. Any data and yet cheaper. You can move commerce. Mr. Mahama won't share side any Aquani Vrenze, Sam George. He's another sermon for another Sunday, so let's leave that. But won't share sa the data ne airtime now. You cannot even begin. Connectivity horn penny a woo. Yanko show 24 go 24. Yanko honum baby I will just connectivity. Me dear no. Me Kofi Koranteng 24 economy na nyoma miensa connectivity complexity any okay. Inti connectivity you need data. You need airtime. Who we eno when we eno airtime ne your friend saying data no. One of the most important staples of any economy, the whole world, power, electricity. Me soil condition si so da mede condition mu no ade a ese se mitua na te say me ni breakfast da me soil condition no ese se me koda me pompa ese ochina erade me da ase se waboa me na me ba be sorry ochina no pa but ochina no minim se me nya breakfast ni because he can say me de koto me de koma ECG. What's your condition the night before? Or china no pan wunya breakfast ni as I would call top a boy mon can share me. Inti the way our power is expensive, no. You haven't even begun to think of a 24-hour economy yet because what Sanyama way one ya you don't have you cannot 24-hour economy cannot be profitable. You cannot be profitable in a 24-hour economy venture. And plus, the 24-hour economy, the government's responsibility, is to build infrastructure. Into data is cheap, airtime is cheap, power is cheap. Why your roads? Why your freight for trains, bullet trains? Obi to make the neoma because many me papa nete ewo north. Mean to me nya because they elderly as me hwe wo na me metena nkran just because I want to make a living. But say you bullet train a free Bolgatanga every hour on the hour e ban crying 4 or 5 times a day. Me to metena train mu first train a free Bolgatanga air ban crying at 5 a.m. It 5 a.m. by 5:15 ne jiran crying. This machine is moving at 450 miles per hour, 450 kilometers per hour. In 50 minutes, a room crying. What offload do nyoma? What timukra no say 30 minutes scrum pa a yama because our Wi-Fi a yet as powerful for free. Inti you are sending emails, you sending stuff to your suppliers, your merchants. What year Juma will train so? That's how it should be. 1 year san your many na say. Fund 25, show 25, connect 25, spy 25, look me 25, hey 25, me I'm cute 24. Masa, what? Just say this guy. Hey, if you call Professor Opoku and say, bruh, go through sa 8 pillars here. I will say a year staples for a 24-hour economy. Explain it to me. She wouldn't have a clue where to start. Obi video or no Professor Nana Opoku a full-fledged video on sa 8 pillars of 24-hour economy. Obi or one who video nyemra. The only thing she does is talk. She talks about the pillars. She's clueless. Onim she cannot. Nobody in the NDC knows because it's non-existent. And even if it were existent, it wouldn't make any damn sense anyway because that's not how you build a freaking economy, for crying out loud. Don't you guys understand? This is not how you do it. You don't have data. You don't have airtime. You don't have a road network. You don't have anything. You get up and you tell the people you're going to start a 24-hour economy. How the heck are you planning on starting a 24-hour economy? How do you do it? San one year almost 24-hour economy now. Oh, the 8 strategic pillars: grow 24, build 24, make 24, aspire 24. How? Where do these guys get the ideas from? Masa, where do you get it from? And then I talk about complexity. Listen. And please bear with me when I talk about this because this is so important. Okay? Actually, that segues into my next topic because this is very serious. Say in Ghana, if you take a look around in Ghana, I don't know if you've taken notice, but all agencies of government, HFM, they are underperforming. At least most of the major agencies of government are Cocoa Board, Gold Board, Sankrofuni. Why are they underperforming? Because the people they have put there don't have a clue of how to manage organizations, businesses. But when we are party boys and girls into your mawomu positions, how does a country like Ghana, with all the resources, professionals all over the world, underperform in government agencies? Every agency is showing a deficit. Now, for starters, you cannot build a nation on deficit. You can't. Because, Kofi, America is a deficit. You find out about their problems pretty soon at $38 trillion. You find out. But Meme Kacho said, you cannot build a solid state, a sustainable, on a deficit. You have to have a surplus. Now, didn't America say very important? And I said, agency beer wagane beer safa. Wamon kano krenen cheye safa. In 1957, yenya independence. Na cocoa about 60 to 70% of your export revenue. In 1957, in the 50s. And cocoa under 10%, 8.4, 8.5%. Inti ordinarily no, so what our numbers say we went from 60%, 70% of cocoa being a primary crop for export in the 50s, as I say, about 8.4%. You would look at that trajectory and say, yeah. And the reason in TAN say that means to say, and this is where I talk about competency and complexity. No, when a country matures in its competencies, competencies, vertical. Into competencies, you go up vertically, but at the top, you become complex and you expand horizontally. In the horizontal expansion, as I say, anka Ghana se say enye cocoa nkwa ene export. Leave gold and oil to the side, and I'll tell you why. Say you're smarter, we would not have touched gold or oil. Cocoa is renewable. Inti anka time na ye number one or number two in the world, Say ye keep such trajectory now, and ye build the competencies. Anka by now ye drew a pointer, ye expanded horizontally in complexities so much say ye fa cocoa now. We don't only just export the cocoa, but we make 10, 20 different things from cocoa. Into the value add on cocoa would have caused us to, as a whole of Nyoma export, Anka be small, but we would be making more money. And the reason is, Anka by now, ye be a Nyoma more, a be magana for enya more sika. To say den, Unka chocolates that baby a couple of weeks ago I was in Doha, Hamad. A couple of weeks ago. Can you believe say woman so say woman no the best world chocolate. Uko Dubai, they have the best world chocolate. And I make woman see. How dare they say woman claim say woman was the best chocolate? Well, bra yenyi do chocolate. And here no drew Ghana, yeah, advertisement say Ghana has the best chocolate. I haven't seen it yet. Because we haven't expanded horizontally across board and only complexity no. So we may have a little competency in say ye cocoa no, but ye the say ye tuko ye do cocoa no ni nya cocoa na ye hata cocoa na ye the beto ama bruni. Like with everything else, ye expand it horizontally to a point that ye acquire all the wealth of wisdom and knowledge in the competency, to expand horizontally in complexity. Into the near mabruni. Into income that we could be making from gold, Yakofem, and let me tell you why I yakofem. Yakofem because number one, galamse buy and abes say and sas in tinkrofo cry esesanka. Wamu koko funo ya tong ena ye diama wama purveyors of gold. Number two, 20, 30, 40, 50 years ago, farmers now no wamudo koko. They say they've all gone into retirement. Women they're not as active anymore. Into woman kwefum second no. And anka woman mana esese anka koko sikano support to woman na eboa woman. The government na nya sa foresight na into yan support to sa koko nkola na mano yan support to woman in anything. Into adwumani na egu Emma say 8.4% penny in export to out of your total export market. So, that tells you say the leaders who came no masa nyansa me can mon tiase mo pese me can Kofi to say no listen it takes a different type of person to be a leader. And they say Ghana problems are here go through me. It should tell you Obia would Toma John Mahama say he was not the person to be voted for 2024 or because third term. Adam moon to kinda and moon share internet so share the echoes on Crofa mem. Mo pese Mahama a bat third term, not obey day. Eya na NDC for nkrofobi eya na me hu adwen ewo mutrim. Do you look at the results of the performance? Munsua de kakra. Go out and learn. Look at the results of the performance of the NDC government from time immemorial. Now, move and compare where the world is. Don't compare Mahama's numbers and what Mahama is doing to Akufo-Addo. That's a dumb analysis to make. Dumb. Because Akufo-Addo is no standard. Akufo-Addo was a failure. Why compare Mahama to a failure? You compare Mahama to a failure to make you feel good, to make you make the argument say, Ghana, we're doing something. Are you kidding me? Do you know that BBA American based on numbers? BBA American based on numbers. I never mean I made the numbers number. Based on numbers. NDC government they are abetuja. Abushia for atu force na nkasa no say den no say 2,000 over 2,000 road contracts 2,000 road contracts womo de abase womo bejisika. People have presented over 2,000 road contracts set womo de bejisika. Pino ye fake documents. Fake. How do you present a fake document for a contract that was never assigned or never approved? Say, would they be Jessica? How do you do that? And yet, two would have been too many. And yet, 20. And yet, 200. Over 2,000. Ato force in North here. Indeed, they may make a chair and say, if we have a nation, Nkrofo to me present requisition slips for contracts 2,000 of them to the government. Say, oh, ama Saman Junction to Koko Kwanta Muntua Meka, where the Nidia by Intua Meka. That should tell you, say, there is something seriously endemically wrong with the way our systems are together. Until when somebody comes and says, say, I'm resetting, what have you reset? You haven't reset anything, because so be to me present it document to say, hey, my contract to Muntia Meka. Number one, that person, me, I don't even understand you guys. What big TV so kasa nkrofo presenting a muntua masa obi obe presented documents say yenko say a false document, you can just brush it aside and say yentua ko. The person should be arrested, should be jailed, should be fined, and it should be a public document. I broadcast or baby I said this contractor not try to obey defraud the government of Ghana. Said you be a fan as an example. TV so said 2,000 people made an attempt to defraud the government of Ghana by presenting false documents to get monies. How? Masa, when you say this, and you come and tell me, say, the government of Mahama is resetting, what are they resetting? And now they make an munhunyan say, say, Obia will be presenting a false document, say, they be jisikawa to force and honor, and see a chill local, near Mawuchia fines, near ye punish you to extend, say, Obia to me, yes, you. How do you get 2,000 people to present documents? Most of them, yeah, false. One my ye kululu. How? Internet say, ne koso. In the past, ne koso. Masa, me, Mahama comes and, oh, we are resetting, no, aba, na, abesre, na, because onim se Ghana for your weakness, ne say, oh, oya ho Brazil, obuadio, Kofi Koranteng di omuadi enti, mon penasem. Okay, good. Yeah, kind of credit, mon penasem. Mahama di oba, oh, we have reset the place. Everybody is happy. Actually, I was thinking of going for reparations for Ghana because, the slaves that they took away a long time ago, it was very bad for Ghana. But now we have to get some money from the American government. Who got the muye fee? Who could pay Sikawa American government for reparations? Why don't you take care of the what you have access to take care of? Ube put two ministers, no parliamentarians in order. Now ube checks and balances bet me. When the American government a corporation say more reparations, and no, where does that come from? Menkase totally unnecessary. But first things first, for crying out loud, you need food security. Your hospitals that to ejija bibia ye basa kwanya says oh Kofi na send Mr. Mahama or ya kwan pao why ye so many road why you say anko ka benku no onko ka. What is his job? And then sa akwan last time I buy na so anko why yes akwan ni na. And then they come and they bring this nonsense about as they say dear your friends say constitution review said third time they your honor his excellency we don't think we're going to give you 3 terms but we think you should extend your 4 to 5 years. How dumb just say me I don't even understand. Hey we are these sometimes I feel sorry crash say me ye bibini ye Ghana I feel sorry because you I say ye minimum
Chiro adwuma me e wo comment section. Ai Penyah bro.